Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G05 to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. Then open it and hit the same options to set it up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this pop-up, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and when you finish, hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!